Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black grille as well as your black Jeep badging. You're also gonna have the smoked out halogen headlights on this one and your fog lights. You have the built-in park sensors all along the bottom here. And then coming underneath your hood, you're gonna have the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine with your 8-speed automatic transmission. Along the side of this one, you're gonna have your 20-inch black wheels, black mirrors on this one, and they are heated. You're also gonna have your blind spot monitoring and your cross path detection. You have your black Grand Cherokee badging, and then this one has your color matched door handles with proximity entry. You're also gonna have roof racks on this one. Coming into the back, you are gonna have the color matched rear bumpers with the built-in park sensors all along the bottom here. And then you do have your backup camera right here. This one is a power lift gate, so you're gonna have a button on your fob. You're just gonna click it and it's gonna open right up for you. You do have a cover here. It's gonna fold out nice and flat and it does clip in. That's great for hiding any private things when you're out parked in public. And then underneath your all-weather floor mats here, you're gonna have super easy access to your spare tire, just in the unfortunate event you ever do need it. You're gonna have some speakers back here as well, and then you're also gonna have a 12-volt plug-in. But now we're gonna finish up inside. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have black leather seats. They are heated and cooled, and then you're gonna have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Lots of storage in your two center consoles. The bottom one is lined, and it does have a 12-volt plug-in. And then the top one is lined as well. And then you're gonna have some additional storage up here in your glove box where your owner's manual is kept. And you're gonna have some detailing here as well. Touchscreen on this one, and it does come equipped with your navigation. You can also hook up your phone for Bluetooth. And then this one does have travel links, so you can see fuel prices, any movies listing near you. You can manage your Sirius XM subscription, see the weather, and check out your favorite sports teams, and then you can favorite any of those options. Here's where you have all of the controls for your seats. And then this one does have dual climate control, which you can control on your screen. And then all of your media controls can be controlled right on the screen. If you don't want to use the screen, you can click this button just to turn it off. Handy at night so it's not shining bright in your face. And then you do have all of the buttons for your climate control down here. You can turn on and off your park sensors, and then this is your lane keep assist. You can turn on and off your eco mode, sport mode, and your traction control. This right here is your select terrain control, so you can choose between rock, mud, auto, sand, and snow. Then you also have four-wheel drive in this one. This right here is the button for your hill descent. You're gonna have the paddle shifters on this one. And then you're gonna have all of your hands-free and your cruise control buttons. And then this one does have your adaptive cruise control as well, and those buttons are just right here. On the back side, you're gonna have buttons to adjust the radio, change the song, and then turn up and down the volume of your music. You have memory seats on this one as well. And then you do have the button to open up your gas cap just below your headlight button. I know that can be tricky for some people to find. Auto dimming mirror, and then you do have a universal garage door opener as well. So you can program this into 3 different garage doors. That way you can save some clutter up here, no more remotes. You have a button here to open up your back hatch. And then this one does have your full panoramic sunroof, but now we're gonna go finish up in the back. In the back of this one, you're gonna have an armrest that folds out flat for your passengers, and it does have 2 cup holders in it. You're also gonna have 2 USBs and then a 115-volt plug-in, so everyone can plug in their devices on long road trips. And then your passengers do have the option to control their own airflow. You have these nets in the back of both seat pockets for a little bit of additional storage. And then you're also going to have some additional storage in your door, power locks and power mirrors back here. And then you do have the all-weather floor mats as well. Your seats do fold down flat, and there is 3 tetherable anchors back here for car seats. And then there is a ton of storage. You can fit hockey bags, lacrosse bags, any sort of sporting equipment or groceries. To make this Jeep yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.